Afternoon. So this is a carrier portable aircon. This is the display control. This is the board. For today, I wanna show you the sensor reading, because we have three sensors available in this, so that you can easily know whether this one is good or bad. But always remember, the ohms reading is, it will always vary. It depends on the temperature that it sends. So for now, we will check the sensors. Bro, video nga muna. Can you help? I need a helping hands here, brother. Come on, brother. So always set to ohms when you are checking thermistor or sensor. So here it's going to condenser sensor, this one. So we will check. Okay. Oh, it's turning down, turning off. Set to ohms, then check. So against the dark, it's hard to let me put in this side. Oh, come on. Video boss. Yeah, tutok mo dito. Just focus on this side. 7.1 k ohms. Tester. Tester. 7.1 k ohms at temperature. Check here. 32 degrees.
Do you see?
7.2 kilo ohms at 32.9 degrees. Condenser sensor. So here,
Checking.
the ambient sensor, evaporator sensor. Ito, flash, dire.
I see
This
the
one.
look. Oh,
Sensor.
You off the sensor.
Check. Yeah, that's what I want. Blue. Point. Oh, come on. 6. Wala, di makita.
Matigo.
6.69 k ohms. So check temperature. At 34.7 degrees. 6.7 k ohms. tube sensor. This one. The anti-freeze. Here it is. Okay, we will
Check in.
check the resistance reading. 6.8. Now 6.8 k ohms. The anti-freeze evaporator. See? At
3.3.
33.8 degrees. That's how it is. So this one is the diagram. Against the dark again. Turn on the light. Always on. So we have three different thermistor available in this. So this is not non-inverter. This is non-inverter. So if here is a float switch, if we will check it also. Just sense set to ohmmeter, then check. So it should be. So it's a reading. To lift this up, see, when you lift the floater, lift the floater, there is no more continuity. When you release this, it will read almost buzzing. See, lift, try to lift up, and see, lift the floater, nothing. That's how you, that is the way how to check the floater switch. See, lift, no continuity, release, good. That's all for today. Thank you.